Okay, so we had a goal where we needed to design a periscope because the problem was we can't see over the crowd. So one of the possible solutions was to use a periscope. So anyway, I looked on here and I looked at the periscope plan. And my first thought is if I'm in a crowd, like this is a good design. Like we're good there. So that's fine, it'll work. However, my first thought is if I use something like this in a crowd, people are probably going to get mad behind me because they're probably going to see this big honking thing in the middle there. And the mirrors work, but I'm thinking to myself, okay, could I make something smaller? Well, if it's smaller, then how good are the mirrors going to be? So I'm like, okay, could I use something other than the mirrors and it be small so it's not getting in the way of people too much? So anyway, I'm like, all right, well, let's try this. So here's what I came up with. I came up with a periscope where we're using PVC pipe and it's attached to a little webcam here. And so it's on right now, but it's just taped here. It's adjustable here at this guy right here. And then it's also adjustable here. So a wire runs down through the middle. It's probably about 30 inches long, something like that. Wire runs through here, and then it goes to a tablet. So, tablet works. There you go, periscope's up. And then, there you go, it's up near the ceiling, up here. There's a smoke detector, top of the door. So I can move it around in my hand. Works pretty well. Can bring it back down. Can adjust it in my hand, so if I don't want to go quite so high, now it's not quite so high, but I can adjust it in my hand. If I was going to improve anything, here's probably what I would do. So what I would do is I would try to attach this, something like this, where I can pick this up. And basically the PVC pipe is on a case or something, or on some kind of attachment where I can actually move the PVC pipe up and down on there, and that way I only have to hold the tablet, but I could watch a tablet. I like the size of the tablet because it makes it easy to see. I think that's easier than a periscope. I wouldn't have to do that, and if I wanted to, I could have another person there with me. So I think if I was going to improve the design, definitely have something where I only have to hold the tablet, and then I can adjust that. But there's my periscope design.